All the children were sitting in the class and Hindi ma'am was teaching them grammar.
Children, the syllabus for your final exams is now complete and the date for your exam will be announced soon.
Hearing this, all the children become scared. But before they can say anything,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, children. I am here to tell you the schedule for your oral exam.
What? Oral examination?
Yes, children. This time your oral exam will be before the writing exam and it starts day after tomorrow. Here's your schedule.
ma'am starts writing the schedule on the board.
But ma'am, the exam is day after tomorrow. How will we prepare so quickly? That too oral. Children, principal ma'am has given these dates. We can't change them now. You just have to memorize all the given chapters carefully and come back.
Not only Gattu Chinky, but all the other children were scared by this. After school is over, Gattu Chinky go to their house and start thinking.
Chinky, it's best if we memorize all our chapters well. After that, our oral exam will definitely go good.
You are right, Gattu. I am going to learn by speaking, okay?
Then what? Gattu and Chinky both get busy memorizing the chapters.
Rory lived with his bat. Oh, no, cat. Oh, I'm wrong again.
Oh, Gattu, what is this? Look ahead and walk. What would you do if all the plates fell?
Oh, sorry, mummy. Now I'll just study in the living room.
But why are you not studying in your room, Gattu?
Chinky is reading aloud over there. We can't both read aloud and memorize in the same place, can we?
You are not going to remember anything this way. This won't work. You should remember things by understanding them.
What?
Just then Chinky also comes there.
Yes, don't just remember things, but understand them too. Like Rory lived with his cat. It means Rory is living with a cat like you are living with Chinky.
Oh yes, mummy. I was not understanding its meaning. I was just reading and trying to memorize it. Maybe that's why I was making so many mistakes.
Exactly. Now understand it carefully and then memorize it. And you too, Chinky.
Okay, mummy.
Gattu Chinky memorized the chapter with great concentration. Before we knew it, the time for the oral exam arrived.
Children, your oral exam will be held in the next room. You all need to stand outside in a line by roll number. We'll call each one of you according to your roll numbers.
Wow, that's good. My roll number is 20. But mine is 5. I'll have to go first. Oh no.
Thank God, my roll number is after Gattu.
Chinky, we both got stuck together. My roll number is 1. Huh.
Come on, children. Now don't talk. Everyone, line up.
Poor Bunty is put in front of everyone, with all the other children standing behind him.
I don't know what's going to happen. I am really scared. Don't worry, Bunty. Everything will be fine. Good luck.
Roll number 1, come inside.
Oh no. Bye, friends.
Bunty goes inside the room, and Gattu, Chinky and the rest of the friends stand outside the room and try to listen inside.
I can't hear anything inside. I don't know what ma'am is asking.
Hey Goody, did you remember that question from the chapter about Billy the barber? Everyone was saying ma'am will definitely hear it.
What? Which question?
The one about why Billy works as a barber.
Oh yes, I remember it. Oh no, I don't remember that one. What should I do? My roll number is after 4 children.
Chinky, what will we do now?
Don't worry, Chinky. I'll tell you the answer and you memorize it. Yes, Gattu. Okay.
Look, Billy works as a barber because he likes cutting hair. And to him, The hair is like a canvas on which he can paint however he wants. That's why cutting hair is fun for him and he works as a barber.
Okay, I'll remember it now.
Just then Bunty comes out and ma'am speaks.
Roll number 2. Hey Bunty, how was it?
What questions did ma'am ask, Bunty?
Hey everyone, move aside. Come on Bunty, tell me first. What did ma'am ask? Huh? Why should I tell you? Because I am saying so. Tell me quickly now. Hey, leave all this Bunty. Tell me quickly. Is ma'am scolding also? No friends. But yes, ma'am is asking a lot of questions. I got really nervous. What? Lots of questions? Oh no, I don't know what will happen to us now. You are right, Gattu. I didn't even get a single answer.
By the time they discuss, Chinky's turn also comes.
Roll number 5.
Yes, yes, ma'am. May I come in?
Yes, Tinky. Come inside. Sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Tinky. First, give me your introduction.
Introduction? Ma'am, my name is Chinky and I class in 5A and I painting is my hobby.
Relax, Tinky. Answer calmly. Why are you so nervous? Relax and tell me stress-free.
Ma'am speaks so lovingly that all of Chinky's fears automatically vanish.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Tell me now, who Rosie was and what she wrote in her diaries.
Yes, ma'am.
After calming down, Chinky tells all the answers correctly and comes out.
Tinky, how was it?
It was easy, Gattu. I messed up a bit, but then ma'am spoke to me lovingly. And then all my nervousness vanished.
What? Really?
Yes, and all the questions that ma'am asked me, I knew all of them. So I told them right away. And the ones you made me remember, I told those too.
Oh, then you're lucky, Chinky. Now I am scared. I'm afraid ma'am might ask me stupid questions.
Yes, this will happen. Ma'am will ask you all the stupid questions and you won't be able to answer even one.
What?
Hey Monty, just keep quiet. Gattu, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Just chill and remember you have studied very hard. Okay?
Okay, Chinky.
After a while, Gattu's turn comes and he goes inside.
Okay, Gattu. Tell me, who did Rory lived with? Rory liked cutting hair. What? Gattu, that's a different chapter and this is a different one. Why are you so nervous? Tell me calmly. Take a deep breath first.
Gattu takes a deep breath, then remembers and says the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Rory lived with his little cat. Very good, Gattu. Now the next question.
Similarly, Gattu also tells all the answers and his oral exam goes well. He comes out very happy